I'm going to use these old air conditioning HEPA filters to make some masks for any viruses that may be going around that a regular N95 mask will not protect you from. This mask may not even work, but it's worth a shot because every store in town and the country, as a matter of fact, the whole planet, seem to be sold out of any mask. So I'm in between the paper towels. I put the HEPA grade filter. I've also got some activated charcoal, and I'm going to put the activated charcoal in between. There we go. Get it in there just enough to know that we are purifying any small virus air particles that may try to sneak through and attack your immune system. This is all stuff I had laying around the house, so I had duct tape. You could use any kind of tape you prefer to tie all of the ingredients you need to protect yourself from pathogens. Wrap it up in the duct tape, nip it, make it pretty if you need to. Here we go. The activated charcoal turned out to be a little bit messier than I expected. I will let you know this is my first time ever of making my own biohazard face mask. But I have these scissors. I'm going to cut some holes in there. It proves to be a little bit trickier than you would think. I had to grab another tool. Looks like there was a handy pencil laying around. Had some hemp from a previous adventure with jewelry making, so I'm going to use that old hemp I have laying around to create ear loops on this little beauty. If you just are looking for something to do and want to be proactive and crafty, I suggest making a face mask with a HEPA activated charcoal filter. It doesn't have to be fancy, but it can be. That's just a grocery tie or a bread tie. I'm going to use a little electrical tape because I was running low on duct tape. Tape it down. I want to get a good fit. I want to make sure no virus, particles, pathogens, biohazard chemicals can get through. And it's